Sonia with Just Botanicals, and you can find me in the heart of downtown Palmer, Alaska at Non-Essentials. I formulate artisan skincare using only the finest organic or wild-crafted, ethically sourced ingredients. My mission is to help people become their most authentically beautiful selves. In addition to providing fantastic products, I package them sustainably, and I take the time to show people how they can achieve balanced, glowing skin in a way that is simple yet transformative. Come check me out at Non-Essentials for free facial Fridays.